Hello there. I was gonna get to preparing this meal that I've been thinking of, but I do first things first. Gotta do a little bit of cleaning and setting this up. I've been meaning to clean this. We wipe it down a bit, but every time you cook, something ends up being. But in the meantime, somebody kept mentioning, was mentioning about these Fuji goji berries, and I was mentioning that usually what we'll get is something like this infused. Let's see if it says that. Yes, essential. Yeah, so there you go. Like it mentions here, as you can see, the Nixia Red combines the extraordinary wolfberries superfruit with 100% pure essential oils in a powerful whole body nutrient infusion. The benefits of the legendary Nixia wolfberry. So, because wolfberries are a goji berry, really. So usually we do use them often, like this one. So they usually do come with packets too, but as you can see, we've used a few of. So that I was mentioning, it's easier to get something like that that's already been infused into something rather than paying the costly price of. But some of the ingredients we'll be using on would be like this Russell potatoes and the red. This is actually grown in Wisconsin. So, and there's some of the other iron living stuff like their supplements and things, and their toothpaste, for example. We have a ton of them. This one just killed me. I have a ton of them, but you know, there's all kinds of stuff, including their chapsticks, for example, and stuff. So I needed to get it with the flash on, but oh well. Can't so it's different flavors, and as usual the essential oils too, and all the different other stuff too. So it's, there's all kinds of and obviously the essential oils, which are the majority of, but that's for another topic. And you know, so something we've been meaning to do, but when it comes to this I guess people call them market level marketing or MLMs. You know, another one too we do is like the H2O, which, you know, like for example, this is like the soap, the soap that we use. And too, like mentioning off, there's like the dish soap, because that's what I'll be using to clean too, actually. Like this is the dish soap. So it's pretty good ingredient. So you know, we've loved using their products so far. But you know, it's usually somebody comes along and mentions the idea and, you know, start supporting them, and next thing you're using it, and then next thing you're recommending it to people, and then having people use it. So you know, but that's that. I was getting it situated and getting it ready, kind of clean things about and clean things up, and then get to the fun part. So otherwise, you know, the weather out there today is fair. It's snow's melted away on the ice, so it's sunny. It's cooler still, but it's fair, nothing's really changed so much. So the snow's melted away. But I'll try to set up, and maybe I might have to just do this in segments to where I section it to the different stages, because I still can do the editing stuff. But anyway, we'll be back shortly.